in these kind of problems, let's write down what we know, and any kind of gas in this chapter is going to be at STP. So krypton, we know its molar mass from the periodic table. On mine, it's 83.80. So that's my periodic table, and the unit for molar mass is grams per mole. Okay, so that's what we know. The question is asking us for density, and density is okay, do you remember from chapter 3? What is density? Did you say mass over volume? Okay, so in other words, we want our units in terms of grams over liters. So we want to keep the grams right there, but we want to turn moles into liters. All right, so think about how can we do that? All right, how do we keep the grams but get rid of moles? Well, if we want to get rid of moles, we need to put a conversion factor with moles on the other side of it, right? So that way we can cancel the moles out. Now, we not only want to cancel moles out, but we want to get liters on the bottom. We have a conversion factor for this, right? What's the conversion factor that equates the number of moles of a gas at STP? So that's important. It has to be a gas at STP. And so did you say it's 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters? Well, that's the conversion factor we're going to use. And so plug that in there, cancel out the moles, and punch and get our answers. All right, so 83.8 divided by 22.4 gives me, let me pick one more color yet, 3.74. The 3 digits here is going to restrict our answer to 3, but it would have depended how much you originally started with. That could have been a factor. All right, anyway, 3.74 is going to be our answer, and the remaining units are grams per liter, and that is a unit of density. So we'll circle that. That's the density of krypton gas.